It is therefore my constitutional duty as a President, my personal obligation as a patriotic Pakistani to caution the House and the government that some of your unilateral policies are causing grave strain on the Federation. In particular, the government's unilateral decision to carve out some canals from the Indus River system despite strong opposition from federating units. A proposal that I, as your President, cannot support. I urge this government to abandon this correct first proposal and work together with the stakeholders to come up with a viable, sustainable solution based on unanimous consensus among the federating units.